Hello everybody, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, we're going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's see what we have in this month's box. Okay, in case you're new to this, I've opened up a lot of these. I think I've gotten this subscription for over a year now. And there is a piece of paper. There is a piece of paper right here that has a link to a video tutorial showing how to make the pieces in this box. It's either a necklace and a bracelet. Sometimes it's a necklace and earrings. One time, actually twice I think now, I've had an entire set. Necklace, bracelet, and earrings, and that was like a Christmas special. So let's see what we have. We have gigantic jump rings. These are the biggest jump rings I have seen. Come from a store. I've gotten bigger jump rings than this on like a belt, right, at a thrift store. But like store-bought jump rings, these are massive. These look like they're 12 millimeter. And I have to point out that it is like my favorite metal color to work with, antique bronze. And here's some adorable leaf charms. These are so beautiful. Double-sided, which is the best. And look at how detailed, even the shape. See the shape there? The curve of the leaf. Those are adorable. I would like to have like 100 of these, because you could just put them onto so many different bracelets, anklets, all kinds of stuff. That's a very useful charm. Oh my gosh, what is this? No way. This must be a Czech seed beads on this chain, right? Oh my gosh. This is so precious. Look at this. This has to be hard to make, right? A chain like this. And I've never seen this kind that only has the seed bead on one side. Usually when I see this chain, the seed bead is on both sides, right? But this way, it's on one side. So it drapes beautifully because of the weight. How the weight is distributed throughout this. This is gorgeous. And this is curb chain, by the way. And then there's these little ball head pins on there with the seed beads. That is awesome. I wish I could make something like that. And I love the colors. I'm a turquoise freak. So that is like amazing for me. And then we have some more jump rings. These are 6 millimeter. Oh my gosh, it's going to be a turquoise blue box. These are matte 4 millimeter Czech fire polish beads. Last month I got, in the Czech beads exclusive box, I got this bead in like a lavender color. There's some more in the bag, by the way. I didn't get them out. But that is very unique, beautiful. I'm gonna make sure I don't lose them. So I love that. By the way, I gotta point out, I've never pointed this out. Getting these subscription boxes, I also get to load up on bags, which is awesome, because I always had to go and buy bags, but now that I'm doing these subscription boxes, I don't have to buy bags anymore. I just recycle these, and this label comes off here pretty easy. If you don't want to, you know, well, I'm making the projects, so there's not going to be any beads left in these bags. And here is another color. This one is turquoise. My favorite color right there. Beautiful. I hope I didn't lose one of those. Okay. And then more blue. So there's 3 shades. I think there's one more shade in that chain. It's a teal transparent seed bead. There's a blue, like a sky blue. Those are beautiful too. And we have some more findings. These are 6mm split rings. And some lobster claw clasps. And then more split rings, but this is the oval kind, which is awesome because when you use these in a closure, the closure and the chain or whatever you have on here is always on this side and that side because of the shape. So your necklace bracelet doesn't fall off. It's actually more sturdy. It makes the design much better. And we have some more chain. This is a cable chain or Rollo. Rollo is more of a rounded oval link. Let's see how this one is flat. And this is like 14, 16 inches, I'm gonna guess. I love chain like this. I always buy this kind of chain because you could do way more with this chain than you can some other chains. Lots of possibilities. I like doing weaving with this. I've done a few videos where I've weaved beads with this chain. And here are some more jump rings. These are 4mm in size. Those are probably going to be for my leaves, huh? And we have some Czech beads. Table cut. Beautiful. Can never go wrong with turquoise. And then, oh my gosh, ear wires. You know what this means. There's 2 lobster claws. That means there's going to be a necklace and a bracelet. And then earring findings. So there's going to be 3 pieces to this set. And then we have some, what are these? These are like big chain links. Or jump rings. Oval jump rings, right? But the oval jump ring always has the opening here on the side. So I would say that these are chain links. Yeah, I wonder if this will be in the earring. Or maybe it'll be in the necklace. I don't know. Sometimes I like to guess what we're making. And I have been right a few times, believe it or not. We have some ball head pins. And is this a leaf chain? Oh my gosh. Where does it start? I think that's the beginning. This is so cool. There is 2? There is 2 leaves, and then there's a gap. 3 leaves, gap, 2 leaves, 3 leaves. It's like alternating. There is a lot on there. This is so pretty. Very playful. Love the movement in this chain. This is going to be a really exciting design. So, I'm wondering if this would be in the necklace. It could be multiple layer necklace. This could be on the top, or maybe we even cut that in half. No, I think that they would have that one maybe cut in half. I don't know, but I think it's going to be a really cool project. I'm excited to do it. Now I will have a picture of what the finished designs look like at the beginning and end of this video if you want to rewind or just wait to the end and see what the piece will look like. But I am excited to do it. There's some really neat things here. I really like this chain. I didn't know that Craftica offered chain like this, but that's really cool. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will leave a link for the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below, so you can go and get this box if you want to make this. And yeah, I'm excited to do it. So please like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.